फ्रेंड्स वेलकम बैक। सो फ्रेंड्स यहाँ पे बहुत important kind of update है the circular that has been released by Mr. CHB just now. The circular has been released, उसको यहाँ पे देखेंगे, डिस्कस करेंगे. सो काइंडली मेक श्योर टू शेयर दिस अपडेट एंड फ्रेंड्स यहाँ पे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब जरूर कर लेना फॉर द लेटेस्ट बैंकिंग पेंशन एंड रिलेटेड अपकमिंग अपडेट्स के लिए. So let's start with this important circular that is here that will benefit the lakhs of bank retirees as well as the bankers too. So just now the circular has been released by Mr. CHP. So please make sure to share this update. So 7th of October you can see the circular 7th October 2024 All India Bank Employee Association की तरफ से circular है to all our unions and members. Dear comrades, medical insurance policy के रिलेशन में है ये for the retirees. So and the premiums including the top up policy, top up available for rupees 2 lakh, 3 lakh, 4 lakh and 5 lakh. So on our taking up the matter with Indian Bank Association, National Insurance Company has now offered multiple top up coverages as under. So sum assured for award staff 3 lakh, premium is 24,000, total premium with GST is roughly 28,000. Officer 4 lakh, premium is 34,000 with GST 40,000. Then the retirees top up policy additional sum assured 2 lakh, premium 27,000 with GST 31,000. For 3 lakh sum assured 34,000 premium with GST 40,000. For 4 lakh sum assured you can see the premium is 41,000, premium including GST is 48,000. So retirees base policy you can see the premium is 21,000, for the officer 31,000. So total premium with 18% GST comes out to be 25,000 and 36,000. 25,000 for the ward staff, 36,000 for the officers. So this is the retirees base policy we have here. Then the retirees top up policy additional you can see the single sum insured 2 lakh, premium 24,000, 3 lakh 30,000, sum insured 4 lakh, premium 36,000, sum insured 5 lakh, premium 45,000. So top up available for award staff 3 lakh plus 2 lakh or 3 lakh और 4 lakh और 5 lakh. So base policy तो award staff की 3 lakh है ही, उसके एडिशनल में आप 2, 3, 4, 5 का जो टॉप अप है वो अवेल कर सकते हैं. एंड फॉर द ऑफिसर रिटायरीज 4 lakh plus 2, 4 lakh is the base and additional you can see 2, 3, 4 or 5. So that's all for this session. So kindly share the update, subscribe to the channel friends.